What's up, everybody? It's your boy JR303 back at you with another unboxing. This is going to be a quick one. I just want to show you guys something I also got when I got that bolt carrier. This is our 308 assembly build. This isn't really going to be a part of the series. I just wanted to show you guys this. I picked this up at Classic Firearms as well. Steal deal. They were the only ones that had this, and I was able to get them at a good price. So I jumped on this. I think I paid like $70. If I remember right. But anyways, it might have been a little more, but so I jumped on these because I could not find these three kits anywhere. And I said it with an S. But anyways, you guys know how to say this? Sylvan Arms. I know I'm murdering the name, but it's in Connect groups. They have these, but they're much more expensive. So I wanted to run these. I don't think I'm going to be throwing them on this particular build. I think I'm going to use this because we have another part coming for this. It's going to be our bipod, but I'll let you know when that comes what we're going to be using. And I was told that you can, on the pick rail, you use this so you could do a quick detach of that. And then maybe on my other stuff, might be going to this, using these on an upcoming project. So let's get into this. They're made from 6061 T6 aluminum. This is what it all includes. You guys can look at that. They look pretty cool. Quick connect. I'm not really thinking I'm gonna run a sling on this, but we will see. I was hoping this had the metal inserts, but let me show you guys this, I guess, real quick. So on these, apparently they just bolt right in like that. Not bolt, click in just like that. So you just insert one side and push down. That seems pretty stable. They're not moving. So this here will go like this for the bipod. And it tightens up. Yep, those tightened up really well. If we were running, let's see, on this side, we'll be running our push that in. Yeah, it's a nice tight fit, nice and snug. That's how I'd run it. So they will be running us on, throwing them all over the place. So just squeeze them from both sides to take them out though. They come off quick QDs, hence QD, I guess. So stay tuned. Our next video, we'll probably be putting this all together. Till next time, guys.